Many years ago, in a different life, I became obsessed with photography after I put my first print in the developer tray and watched something beautiful emerge from nothing. And that is exactly what I love about wood turning. Wood comes into my shop looking like this piece of firewood, and it leaves looking like something very beautiful. The roughing out stage is where it's the most exciting, because this is where the piece of wood tells you what's inside. You start turning and you start looking for what is possible. Where does this curve belong? What looks good? What does the wood want to become? With every cut, it gets clearer and clearer what the wood should be and what it wants to be. And sometimes the best shapes come from happy accidents. You make a cut, it doesn't quite go the way you want, and then you fix it and realize that serendipity happened and it's beautiful. The hollowing is where this chunk of firewood becomes a useful utensil, something that someone will bring to their home and cherish and use. This is where the firewood becomes a bowl. Sanding and finishing is where the real beauty comes out. When you sand, it becomes smooth and the grain becomes beautiful. And when you put the finish on, it just shines. I also love making useful art. These bowls become treasures that are handed down to generations. They become things that families identify with their time together. They're natural, they're beautiful, and they're fun.